Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys my wireless microphone that I got from Amazon. So I had this a couple weeks ago already, and I haven't got a chance to do some reviews or stuff like that because I have been busy recently. This is the case that comes with this microphone. I have purchased the same brand of microphone. I bought it twice already, so I always stick to this brand. No matter what color of microphones you want to get, you always gonna end up having this black case with red zipper around it. There's no option where you can choose which color of the case you prefer, but you can hook this to your backpacks or something like this. And one thing I like about this is you can bring this when you go to a road trip. It's just so nice to have a microphone, just sing along during a road trip. The case is hard, it's sturdy, hard, durable. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Look, I'll take a close look of this. It's super high quality material. So yeah, let's open this, and I can't wait. For some of you guys wondering what happened to the past microphones that I had, since I purchased this twice already. Well, one ended up to my mom, and the second one I gave it to a family member in the Philippines. Gave it to them because I know they would love to have it. And since me, I like to sing, I don't really end up having one for me because I always end up getting them to someone that loves to sing as well, and I might as well get me another one. Yeah, so let's go through what's inside of this case. So when you open, so now let's see what color did I get. White gold. There you go. It's pretty. The one that my mom have is the red one, and the one that my cousin in the Philippines got is the rose gold pink. It has a small net inside as well, where we can put something in there, chuck something in there, and it will hold it. And it comes with this white pouchy. This white pouch, and what's inside is the charger. The charger, and has Bonauk as well. It has like they put their brand on their charger, and it has this aux Bluetooth cable as well. They made this one. They put it in a little pouch. Some of them they're just throw in here and just being tacky. But it comes with this little pamphlet or a little notebook, and it says user manual for wireless microphone, and it is a HIFI speaker. So I don't know how to say that, but I pretty much know everything what's in here since I own this kind of microphone 3 times. Brand, it doesn't feel cheap. Very good quality material, so that is why I stick to this brand. I haven't tried any microphone from Amazon other than this, so I don't know what's the other ones feel like, but this is the best seller in Amazon. That is why, and the review are very high recommended, so that is why I chose this. This is the microphone. Oh shoot. So this little protector thingy that you put on top of the microphone just to cover it, to avoid the color to fade over time. It has a small thing in here too to hold the microphone when you put it in the case. It's not too light where you can tell that it's plastic, you know. It looks. So it has a volume, music, and echo. This is the start. These buttons right here, you can fast forward, you can hit play next. In the bottom, this slot right here, there's an aux or headphones, and there's this is where you put your charge or plug your charge in. Right here, you know what the best thing about this is? Not only a microphone, you can use this as a speaker. So if you don't have a Bluetooth speaker where you go somewhere else, you just want to listen to music instead of singing, you can just lower the echo volume right here. So like right here. No, that's music. So this is the echo in the middle. You can just lower that one and start listening to music. Let's try how loud is this speaker gets. It's crazy loud because I've used this before, and let's try to connect this to Bluetooth. So when you turn this on, right here, just hold this button. Okay, so when that's turned on, you go to Bluetooth on your phone, or you can Bluetooth with your TV or anything that device that you can, or tablet or anything. You can go to a Bluetooth and turn it on. Turn on your Bluetooth and just look for the name of this device. It's Q37. So if you get this brand, you have the Bluetooth name is Q37. So just click Q37. There you go. Once it makes that noise, that means they're connected. So let's go to YouTube. I'm gonna go to YouTube, and since I don't want to get copyright, I'll just use some no copyright song or music. There you go. And let's see how loud is this. So I'm gonna put the volume down for now, and the music, so all is down, and the echo, because I'm not going to sing. Let's listen how freaking crazy loud is this thing. All right, I'm gonna start putting the volume on. The volume is up, but the music is down, so I'm gonna start putting the music up. Look how look how loud does that get. That's super loud. Super loud. Super loud. Right? So if you want to lower the volume, just drag the music volume down, lower it down. So yeah, what do you guys think? I think this is the best wireless microphone so far that I bought on Amazon. Link below in the description box, just in case you guys want to check this out later. I highly recommend this wireless microphone that I got right now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click the bell below just in case I upload new videos. You'll get notified. See you guys in my next video. Bye.